Love, Daddy. And this is from Mom. Мое малко мило момиченце, честит рожден ден. Едно от най-хубавите неща в живота ми е когато ти се появи на този свят. Обичам те с цялото си сърце и душа и съм винаги до теб с цялото си същество.
Did you put a heart somewhere there?
It's right here.
Oh.
And right here. Look how many.
Oh, there's so many.
Open it! I'll go get her the brush.
Huh?
Of gold.
Do you know what it is?
What?
It's headphones. It's your own headphones.
Yay!
So you don't have to use mommy and daddy's anymore. You don't have to hold them in your ears.
How are these?
Stickers!
Stickers!
Okay, open the next one.
Whoa! This is the biggest one I ever seen.
Oh, be careful.
Mm. Huh? A bottle.
Your own bottle!
Huh? Another bottle. Which
It's
one
a
is this?
water bottle because you always say you want to have a water bottle.
I wanted to have the same one like Ariel.
This one is better. This one is not plastic.
How about this one?
And this is for putting food inside. It's a thermos.
Okay, open your next gift.
That was super heavy, Mommy. I carried it and it was super heavy and the I'm trying to find the S for Stella.
Look,
Look.
isn't that cool? And this?
This one's heavier.
What is it?
I don't know. Let me get this thing off first. And then I'll open it. What do you see on the bottom?
It's a little people.
It's a little people.
Rip it.
I see something. Huh? What's this?
It's your own game.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a board game.
What game?
You know how you always want to play with the daddy's board games? This is especially for you.
How come you didn't give me any more board games?
Why more?
And look at your dollhouse, Stella.
I saw it.
Daddy stayed up all night building that thing.